In this abnormal operation module, we will demonstrate a cargo door fault. Let's assume you are the pilot non-flying. You are at 3,000 feet and everything is normal. Click on the forward arrow to activate the failure. On the engine warning display, read the title of the failure. Observe the forward cargo door in amber on the ECAM door Oxy page, indicating that the door appears to be unlocked. The procedure requests you to check the cabin vertical speed. It can be directly read on the ECAM door Oxy page. Here, its value is normal, meaning that no depressurization is occurring. Therefore, no crew action is required, and we will proceed with the ECAM procedure by pressing the Clear key. After review, the status page is displayed for review. Notice that there is no approach procedure, nor are there any inoperative systems. There is only a limitation in blue max flight level 100 MEA. After review and confirmation from the pilot flying, clear, ECAM action completed. You have seen a cargo door fault without depressurization. You are in cruise at flight level 310. Everything is normal. We will now study the same failure, but with depressurization. Click on the forward arrow to activate the Indications are the same as in the previous procedure, except that the cabin vertical speed is now indicating an excessive value. After a few seconds,
because the excess cabin altitude procedure has priority over the door procedure, it is automatically inserted before. This will lead to an emergency descent in case of rapid decompression. The ECAM cabin pressurization page has automatically been called. Notice the abnormal indications.
notice that an amber door indication has appeared on the right side of the engine warning display due to the overflow, meaning that the door procedure is still present. As you will practice this kind of exercise in your simulator session, let's stop here.